something that is definitely long overdue and I should have done a long time ago. So I'm heading to pick up some parts for this Jeep. I should have been doing this about a month ago, but I've been so busy with other things, and I sold my truck and I had to buy a new truck and all types of other stuff. I really haven't had the chance to go get these parts because they're 3 hours away. So I mean, it really kind of sucks how far it is, but it's something I need to do. So I'm on my way now. We'll be there in about 3 hours to pick up these parts for the Jeep. Picking up a transfer case, I'm picking up an axle, I'm picking up the steering, and I'm picking up the stock control arms. And that's all I need that I know of from looking at the Jeep and everything. That's what I need. And I guess once I start getting into it, I might need more, but really I don't think so. I think that's all I need. And we agreed on $750 for all these parts. And I don't know, that's a decent deal. I mean, it's more than I even paid for the Jeep, but this is everything I need. And I'm tired of waiting to get a good deal on this stuff. I'd rather just have it so I can make another video for you guys, because I know a lot of you have been asking about the Jeep. So I've not forgot about the Jeep. I've just been busy. So we're gonna go get these parts. And then I guess probably gonna install them too in the same video. So I guess stay tuned. And it says we'll be there about 3 o'clock. So I guess I'll see you guys there. So pulling up, I already see a Jeep, so I know we're at the right place. But here we are. There's got frames, all types of parts, soft tops, hoods. So it's not really. Check out this Miata. Thing's pretty crazy. Check out this Miata. That thing's kind of insane. Alright, what is going on, guys? So this is my 2002 Jeep Wrangler TJ. I'm not sure if you saw the previous video, but I bought this Jeep for $600. And as you can see, the front end's kind of messed up. It was in an accident. So we picked up all the parts, and now we're back at the shop. It's the next day. So pretty much my goal today is to pull the front axle out, pull the transfer case out, and maybe pull the rear axle out. Alright, so this Jeep, it has the Rubicon stickers on it, but I'm sure you guys saw in the comments that it's not a Rubicon. When I bought it, the guy told me it was a Rubicon, and I just bought it because it was cheap. It's really not the end of the world. I mean, I paid $600, so I'm not really too upset. I mean, it would have been nice if it was a Rubicon, but it's really not that big of a deal. So I bought a front axle, I bought a rear axle, and I bought drive shafts, a transfer case, and also I bought the suspension. And pretty much why I have to replace the rear axle is because the gears for the front axle I bought aren't the same as the rear I have. This Jeep has a Dana 44 in it, and it has a 371 gears or something like that, and this stock axle is the 371s. So pretty much I had to buy both axles so the gears line up so I can use four-wheel drive, because if not, I wouldn't be able to use four-wheel drive. So we're gonna start pulling it apart today. Hopefully I get it all apart in the next couple hours, and then I'll be good to go. So I guess let's get to it. on, guys? It's the next day. Yesterday I was pretty greasy and nasty. I kind of quit working. I didn't want to work no more being all nasty. So yesterday we got the front axle out and all the suspension, and today we're going to try to get this new transfer case in. So we're going to pull the old one out and put the new one in. That's the goal for today. So let's get to it.
Dude, if you get like views, can you give us a couple cash? Sit in the background.
Yeah, for you can sponsor me.
It's actually $300, to be honest. That's what we're gonna pay.
Alright guys, so that's a wrap for this video. Check out the old transfer case, it was pretty nasty. I was going to put the new one in, but I'm all nasty and I really don't want to work no more, to be honest. So this is the old transfer case, as you can tell. I don't really have to tell you what's wrong with it. I'm sure you can figure that out. Here's the old drive shaft, but we got the new axle ready to go in. New drive shafts. Pretty much we're ready to put the new parts in and get this thing on the road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. If you like what you see, more to come next episode. The Jeep's probably going to be put back together, so drop a like, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.